Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your speaker QCY SP7. And the first one is a classic one. Needs to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And then at the top of your speaker, near to the equalizer button, right here we have a plug. You need to open this plug. And here's USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. Now, the most important is to check the red LED light near to your power button. And if you see it, meaning that your speaker is charging. Now, the second option is to charge the speaker using your phone. All you need to have for this, USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. You can also charge it from your laptop if your laptop have USB-C port or PC. And then the second one, USB-C cable to USB-C port on your speaker. Then we need to again check the LED light. We have it, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your speaker from, let's say, your PC or another device with USB-A port. So it looks like this. Connect USB-C cable to your speaker, and I'm going to connect USB-A cable to my PC, but as I said, you can connect with another device with USB-A port. So let me connect it, and now we need to again check for the LED light. And we have it, so it also charging your speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.